Right, so hey guys, in this video I'm going to teach you on how to change your language in Windows 11 operating system. So it's a very simple process. Let's get straight into it. So in your search bar right here, you're going to search for language, okay, and then here it will say language settings. Open that. Here under Windows display settings is set as English, since that's the only option I have. So to add different language, you're just going to click on add a language and just say we want Spanish. So I'm just going to search for Spanish, Espanol, and you have like a ton of countries and ton of variations of Spanish. Okay, so I'm just going to go with the first one, click on next, and it will you can check all of this, and you can check this as to set as my Windows display language as well, and just click on install. So this can be done with any languages, guys. Okay, so I'm just using Spanish as my example for this video, so just let it load. It should take a while and it should download. So once everything has been downloaded and installed, you'll have an option. This will be enabled, and you'll have two options, which is English and Spanish, so you can interchange between both. So it's a very simple process, and yeah, that's all for this video, and thanks for watching, peeps.